The DMK saying that they will give outside support to the Congress. Mr. Karunanidhi and his entire entourage getting ready to leave for Tamil Nadu in the morning, but also indications that the Congress could reach out to the DMK and there could be negotiation both over the number of portfolios as well as the actual portfolios themselves. We'll now bring in all our guests and editors who've just agreed to join us at very short notice. Thanks very much indeed, Manishankar Aiyar, senior leader from Tamil Nadu and of course of the Congress, but from Tamil Nadu. Also Vinod Mehta, editor-in-chief of Outlook magazine. Vinod Sharma, political editor of the Hindustan Times. Thanks for joining us. And also Swapan Dasgupta for being here. Mr. Aiyar, if I can just begin by asking you, what's your reading now of the DMK stand? I know that in negotiations over cabinet portfolios, there is always a lot of hard bargaining and arm twisting. But from your reading of the situation, do you think the DMK will come around?
No, we've been together for the last 5 years. They were our best allies in the previous government. We fought this election together and completely turned the media opinion that we were going to lose into a significant victory for the alliance. And I'm sure that we'll hang together. There's a certain symmetry in our extending outside support to them in Chennai and their extending outside support to us in Delhi. But since the previous position was that we were outside the government in Chennai, but they were in the government here in Delhi, I'm sure we would be happy to see that position continue if it were acceptable to the DMK. In any case, this is a process of negotiation, a process of very hard bargaining, and therefore it's inevitable that it'll look as if we are not going to come to a conclusion. But I'm completely convinced that we will arrive at a satisfactory conclusion.
Mr. Aiyar, but can I just ask you, do you agree with the Congress spokesperson's view that the DMK is being unreasonable in asking for the number of portfolios that they have, which according to Congress sources is as many as 9 portfolios?
Well, I'm not the Congress spokesman and I'm not going to controvert what the Congress spokesman might have said. But had I been the Congress spokesman, perhaps I wouldn't have used that expression. It seems to me, as somebody completely outside this process, that the negotiations are on, and apparently your latest information is that they are going to continue in Tamil Nadu House. So I don't think we should come to any conclusions. There is a process of discussion on, and I'm absolutely convinced it will come to a satisfactory conclusion.
All right. I think that's an important point Manishankar Aiyar has made, Vinod Sharma, that it's a very old and stable alliance, and there is a certain amount of synergy given that the Congress is supporting the DMK in Tamil Nadu. Do you think this is a crisis that's going to be averted?
Well, I think it's brinkmanship. You know, this happens in politics. They are put, you know, I mean, on the face of it, DMK seems to be overplaying its card. Because they are asking for, if they are asking for 9, my information is 7. If they are asking for 9, they are asking for 1 ministership for every 2 MPs. In the previous government, the formula was different, which was much less, you know. That if you had
this time, I think the formula that the Congress has proposed is about 1 ministership for every 3.5 MPs.
No, I think last time it was 10 MPs, 1 cabinet minister and 1 MOS. The Congress has made it flexible in the new situation, but you must not forget that Congress today is not 145, it's 205. So the core has grown larger. So if there is a pie to be shared, it has to be shared reasonably, so that everybody, so that nobody is hungry, nobody is greedy.
No, that's true. Vinod Mehta, if I can just ask you, overall though, the Congress shouldn't really be worried as far as the numbers are concerned, because the numbers this time have been so resounding and the Congress is in such a comfortable position. So while symbolically, if it does emerge that the DMK remains outside, symbolically that will be a blow. But as far as the numbers are concerned, no real worries.